Chapter 47. I do something I know will make me feel better. I set up fake New York to make another talk time, but I really wish Elliot were here to help me. If he were here, I'd definitely feel better. I take a deep breath, turn on the camera, sit on my bed, scribble on some paper, and look up. Scribble some more, then do my best Jon Stewart grin. Welcome to Talk Time with David Greenberg and Hammy. I'll insert footage of Hammy later when I'm editing. Today is our series about surviving middle school. We'll talk about the dreaded detention. Now, on to our top 6.5 list. During lunch today, I wrote and memorized my list. It wasn't like there was anything else to do. The top 6.5 ways to get a detention. 1. Dress code violation. Later, I'll insert a shot of me wearing Lindsay's purple dress. 2. Show up late for class. 3. Class? What class? 4. Ask for one. They're free. 5. Tell your teacher your hamster ate your homework. Hammy will get screen time here, munching on a tiny piece of lettuce that I will make look like paper. 6. Tell your teacher your sister ate your homework. I'll insert a shot of Lindsay here eating, but this time I will get her permission first. And the best way to get a detention? 6.5. Bring your hamster to school. Here, I'll insert a picture of Hammy and use Photoshop to add a teacher standing on a chair while Hammy sits at a desk holding a book. Hammy Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Then I interview Miss Tough Tomatoes, who is actually me wearing one of Mom's old wigs and a nasty scowl. And I talk about how she gives detentions for everything, including breathing too loudly or blinking too often. In this interview, Miss Tough Tomatoes mentions the day she was so late for class that she gave herself a detention. I smell Bubby's chicken soup downstairs, so I go right into, and now your moment of Hammy. Later, with the miracle of Photoshop, I'll insert a picture of Hammy wearing Lindsay's purple dress. After dinner, chicken soup, baked stuffed potatoes, and string beans, I edit the video, then upload it to YouTube. 5 minutes after it's up, 5 minutes, I have 24 views and 2 comments. J-Dog wrote, funniest vid ever. And Theater Geek wrote, you should have your own TV show. I'm posting the link on Daily Show Forum. You're freaking hilarious. I keep checking the stats as I put the finishing touches on the science project that's due tomorrow. When I turn off the computer for the night, I tell Hammy, 126 views and 9 positive comments. We're totally famous, little dude. In bed, before I fall asleep, I remember the Neanderthals table in the lunchroom today. When I walked past, every guy at the table cleared his throat and said, Lameberg, except for one person who sat quietly with his shoulders hunched, Elliot. He didn't say anything to me, throw anything, or do anything. In fact, he looked like he didn't want to be there. The more I think about it, the more I realize there might be a glimmer of hope that Elliot is tired of Tommy and sick of sitting at the Neanderthals' table. Maybe he even wants to be friends with me again. There's only one way to find out.